Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you Blue Magic. That's Renegade products. This is solvent-based formula, high gloss, revives and protects plastics. I'm going to go ahead and apply on my tires and see the result. Right now, this is what I have. And here is the rear tire. It seems very old, but I just bought it 2 months ago. Let's go ahead and check the difference. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and put the gloves on. If there is any remnants, you can just clean it first. Let me open it, push and turn it. We have the protective cap. We're just gonna take it out. I think that's enough. I'm just gonna keep it like that. Clean area, go ahead and put some formula. And let's see the magic. Here is the area that I applied already. And this is the area not applied. Let me go ahead and put all over the tire and see. Let's check it out. Here's the tire after the application. And here's the front tire. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it too. I can put some inside. And I will do the spray. I think that's enough. There we go. Let me close this. Let me go ahead and spray it. I need to wait for about 5 or 10 minutes to observe it, and we're gonna see like it's new. If you want your tire shine, this is what you need. It's like new. Definitely suggest Renegade products. Here is the final product. Wow. And this. Renegade products.